you're soldering these rebars, you want a nice little wave down the bar right onto the part of the lead where you're fastening the solder itself. So the first thing you have to do is flux it. And just a little tidbit of information, ruby flux is expensive, but ruby flux is the best. So now we want that nice little wave. See that wave coming down? So we want that nice little wave. If you're doing small windows, you can always put your reinforcing strip inside the lead if you choose to. But we're gonna do a joint here that has only been fluxed. And first thing we're gonna do is heat that up. And then we're gonna go back in and flux that again. And then we're gonna take a little bit of solder and then we're just gonna get it hot. And you see how the solder ran down right there? We're gonna put a little bit more. And there's our wave. Very rigid, won't come off.